So, today guys, we'll be playing Piggy Book 2, and let's get started with Piggy Book 2. I'm excited to play Piggy Book 2, I've not played at all. By the way, this is my skin for today. I really changed back to my normal skin. Stuff happened, okay? Stuff happened today. I don't know if I'm the only one alive. Really? I don't know really what it's going to be. Especially since he's out there, Piggy. I'm going to try finding the blue key because that's what I need. I want to see. Assume. I got it. I'm gonna go grab Taser for Doggy. We're gonna go get this to Doggy. Let's go. We know what Doggy is. We know what Doggy is. Hello, Doggy. Doggy. So, let's go continue looking for blue key. Because we know Piggy's gonna wake up soon. I think maybe we already used these scissors. But I'm gonna go check this room. If it can open. Nope, it can't. Where's Rashi? Oh my god. Rashi's right on my tail, guys. We need to go. Bucket. Move. You're gonna die, go! Sorry, voice crack. I'm trying not to die, but actually I really dislike dying here. So let's continue looking for blue key. I'm estimating by Quickcast videos that probably we're gonna find out who's Willow's son is. I think it's William. I'm not quite sure. But let's not try and die. Better. There you go. Doggy, bonjour. So now, guys, nope. She's gone for 20 seconds. That is a good thing. What is this? I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what that is. We're just gonna kind of look around for things. I guess I don't really know what everything is, but I'm estimating that there's something to do with this, with Willow, because I really want to find out what happens to Willow, and especially if we make it out alive. I'm trying to find the exit. I'm scared. I don't want to die. These are just a bunch of fake doors, I think. Yeah, they're like a bunch of fake doors. Oh yeah, I need another battery. I really have no idea where the escape entrance is. Really no idea. I did it! I found him off. I did something. And the thing glass is on. Nope. Coast was clear. Big time. That went up in big times a dad. I really want to get done with this for my first time. On my first try, I really don't want to mess up this. But we need to find the white key! Does anyone know what a white key is inside this map? Leave a comment down below. Also like and subscribe to this video. Thanks. Where's the white key? Come on, people. We need to find a white key. We only have 2 minutes left. Legitimately 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, I found it. Let's go. Nice try on board this. Before time runs out. Come on. I think it's down this way. Yeah, it is. It definitely is. Okay, come on. Let's go in here. Oh, someone already used it. Let's go down here. Let's go, people. Well, you're under arrest for stealing food and undersupply of all of the city. I was only trying to feed my family. Please. You know the laws will. I'm sorry. Stand down, Rashi. It's not worth it. What? Why? They'll take us away. We'd rather do that than take you out. Good, you haven't seen the last of us. I'm waiting for Piggy 2 to come out. This really doesn't feel right. I know what you mean. Unfortunately, it's the way it has to be. But isn't there anything we can do about it? All we have to play Disco Key 25. That's me. We do things because we have to, not because we want to. Let's go get out of here. So, by the way, quick, are you coming to Disco Key 25? By the way, this QuickCart already mentioned a bunch of things about this video. I will leave a link down below. Come on, George. And then it's just saying, this is in the future now. I think they're going to collect supply or something. Well, are you coming? Huh? Where? That's what I'm saying. Remember you told that old radio found us some place of a supply one. What about we can get to working? Yep, it's just what we need to find some batteries for it. Pony and I are going to the store to get some. Did you want to come along? Sure, let's go. And I'm thinking the next chapter is going to be at the grocery store, because it says something about the grocery store. And that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe to the video. Bye!